Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover queries with SQL Server, full guide step by step clearly. To begin recovering queries in SQL Server, you'll want to start by understanding the different recovery methods available. First, open SQL Server Management Studio and connect to your database instance. Next, you need to identify the database for which you want to recover queries. Once you have selected the database, right-click on it and select Properties from the context menu. In the Properties window, navigate to the Options page. Ensure that the recovery model is set to full for effective transaction log recovery. If the recovery model is not set to full, it may limit your recovery options. After confirming the recovery model, you will need to set up a backup strategy to capture queries consistently. Perform a full backup of the database by right-clicking on the database, selecting Tasks, and choosing Backup. In the Backup window, next, perform regular transaction log backups by following the same process and selecting transaction log as the backup type. Transaction log backups allow you to recover to a specific point in time, capturing all changes made since the last backup. Once your backups are in place, you may need to review the SQL Server error log for any issues related to queries. You can access the error log by expanding the Management folder, right-clicking on SQL Server Logs, and selecting View. Monitoring. To recover queries, utilize the Restore command with the appropriate options. Start by restoring the full backup using the command, restore database, your database, from disk equals path to your backup file. Back with nor. After restoring the full backup, restore transaction logs as needed using restore log, your database, from disk equals path to your log file. Repeat the transaction log restore command until you reach the desired recovery point. Finally, complete the recovery process by executing restore database, your database, with recovery. Make sure to verify that the queries are now functioning correctly by running test queries on the database. If you encounter any issues during recovery, consider examining the database's integrity using the dbcc check command. By following these steps, you can effectively recover queries in SQL Server and ensure your data is restored. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.